Hello, everyone. My name is Joe, and thanks so much for joining us for this next installment of the T-Mobile for Business Solution Series. Today, we're going to explore the continuing transformation of manufacturing's connectivity landscape. As manufacturing continues to evolve, its connectivity environment needs to evolve with it, requiring more and more speed and agility to handle near real-time data processing, like AI, edge computing, analytics platforms, and other solutions that far surpass the capabilities of Wi-Fi. Without this increased connectivity, manufacturers will no longer be able to innovate, which means they lose their competitive edge. And ultimately, they just lose. If you think of connectivity like a river, T-Mobile's industry-leading 5G network is the current, fast and powerful, moving data quickly, reliably, and securely wherever it needs to go. But to navigate this mighty 5G current, you need strong industrial-grade equipment that can withstand rough waters and guide and monitor data from safe harbor to safe harbor quickly, accurately, intelligently, and safely. During the webinar, some polling questions will appear on your screen. Just select your choices, and together we'll see the up to the second results. And remember, your answers will not be seen by any other webinar participants. In fact, let's go ahead and try one out, all right? Here's your question. How would you best describe the primary connectivity environment in your manufacturing operations? Please select one of these and then send. Do you know what the good news is? All of these enhancements are achievable these days. Right. So, Andrew, why don't you go ahead and continue here? Can you take us through some use cases that illustrate how manufacturers are evolving their connectivity to remain competitive and prepare for the future?
Absolutely. There are literally hundreds of use cases where...
Oh, well, I hate to see that we're coming to a close here, but thank you guys for all that great information. Thank you all again to Andrew and Nate. Thank you, all of you, for joining us. And we look forward to seeing you again at one of our next webinars. So long, everyone.